Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the Dallas World Aquarium in downtown Dallas, Texas. It is a popular spot for families, offering interactive exhibits, feeding sessions, and engaging presentations for all ages. However, some visitors note that it can get crowded, especially during peak times.
The Dallas World Aquarium houses a diverse collection of animals, including fish, sharks, rays, turtles, crocodiles, penguins, flamingos, monkeys, sloths, otters, and many more. It features several distinct exhibits such as the Orinoco rainforest, Mundo Maya, and South Africa exhibits, each recreating specific ecosystem. Orinoco rainforest. The Orinoco rainforest allows visitors to walk among free-flying birds in a lush, naturalistic setting. This tree-level exhibit features exotic birds, sloths, monkeys, and endangered manatees. This multi-level exhibit mimics a South American rainforest, complete with canopy level, understory, and a river area. Canopy level. You will find birds in free flight, sloths, and various monkey species like a tamarin and sakimankeris. You will also find an Orinoco crocodile. Understory, see animals that live beneath the canopy, such as the giant otters. River level. This section features large Amazonian fish and endangered Antillean manatee. The aquarium is a home to endangered Antillean manatees as a part of its conservation efforts. Mundo Maya. The Mundo Maya exhibit features a cenote, a sinkhole filled with water, where you can see various marine life. This exhibit focuses on the marine life of the Yucatan Peninsula, including a cenote with sharks, rays, and starfish. You will also find lizards, snakes, and bats. Mundo Maya. This exhibit focuses on animals and sea life from Mexico and Central America. Cenote. This area features sharks, stingrays, giant groupers, and other marine creatures. Terrestrial sections. You can also see lizards, snakes, leaf-nosed bats, scarlet macaws, hummingbirds, and pelicans. South Africa exhibit. You can see black-footed and blue penguins swimming in the South Africa exhibit. This area features penguins. A Madagascar exhibit with the frogs, geckos, and chameleons, and more. This outdoor exhibit showcases animals from South Africa and Madagascar. Aquarium. The aquarium portion of the Dallas World Aquarium displays a wide variety of fish and other marine creatures, including Japanese crabs, jellyfish, and sea dragons. You can also find various fish and corals from around the world in the 10 main tanks. Aquarium section. This area features aquatic life from a various locations around the world, including Japan, British Columbia, Fiji, and Palau. Continental Shelf Tunnel, a 40-foot tunnel where you can observe fish of the continental shelf swimming around you. Diverse marine life. You will find fish, sea anemones, coral, jellyfish, Japanese crabs, and various species of sea dragons.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.